Hello, welcome back to NwardTube. In today's video, we are going to find out how to report your Facebook, or in case you are facing any problem, how to report it to Facebook team. So go direct into your, if you are using computer or you are using mobile, it doesn't matter, or both of them, they have this. So just simply go direct in or click your profile there.
Okay, this is what we are going to do to make sure that you report any problem with your Facebook. So just simply click the icons or the menu profile, which is profile right here, or simply go to setting. Scroll down here and look up there to help and support, this one, help and support, and then you click report a problem, this one. Simply come down here and click continue to report down here, down, continue to report. Now it gives you the option here, include or don't include complete logs and diagnostic in your report. Information about your device, account, and this will be automatically included in this report in order to help us understand and resolve the issue. You can further help us fix this problem by sending complete logs and diagnostic and so many. All right, so we're gonna click include. Okay, here this is the place where you can choose where your problem is. So just click your issue or the one that you are facing issue with. So let me simply say the profile. So you click profile, and then from here it will tell you that what went wrong. So you can simply put a message here, you know, a message that can describe your problem with Facebook. All right, subject reporting a problem with my Facebook account. So you start by saying, dear Facebook support team, I hope this message find you well. I'm writing to report an issue and I'm experiencing with my Facebook account. You have to describe the problem in detail, such as I'm unable to log into my account, let's say it, if they log you out or your mobile phone been hacked. So you can report it from here, and you can do all kind of reportings. Let's say if you have a monetization issue or a country problem, so you can do that. And then our next thing is include the screenshot. You can take a screenshot, and then you go direct into your profile. You go to dashboard or where your problem is, depending on your problem. So you go to monetization, and then here you can click one of these. Let's say let me click stars. If I have a problem with star here, and then I can simply click this. Okay, or I mean I can simply take a screenshot like this one. Now it already did that, so I can simply send. When you send it, you have to wait for 2 days or 3 days, then they will respond to you. So that's how you can report a problem on your Facebook. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to share with others so that it can help them. Thank you. Bye bye.